Did you know that falcons can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour? But here's the kicker. The fastest falcon ever recorded was actually a phantom. In 2005, a peregrine falcon named Frightful was clocked at an astonishing 240 tons during a dive. This speed was so incredible that scientists initially doubted their instruments. Frightful's record-breaking dive was a result of perfect aerodynamics and a little-known fact. Falcons tuck their wings in a way that reduces drag to almost zero. This makes them nature's most efficient speedsters. You like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.